Hello, this is from Vijayakumar, Assistant Professor, HOD of Physics, Department of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. Today I am discussing the environmental topic, one case study. This case study is under the social issues and the environmental based on the topic. The topic is case study on solid waste management. The two types of waste management, one is an e-waste management and solid waste management. This two is a very important the factor to be affecting in environmental and social issues to be created from in societies. So the solid waste management is a very important to be affected in environmental. It increase in population and higher standard of living. It's created in a solid waste management. Resulted in increase in quantity and variety of waste generated to the human being. It's a continuous, indiscriminately, it will have an adverse effect. Hence, management of solid waste become very important. So, we form in the next slide in a source of solid waste. So, the solid waste is a form in the different category. One is a paper, glass, plastic, metal, like that. So, the domestic waste, it's a form in only from homes. Then commercial waste, it becomes shops to created. Then inertial waste, biomedical waste, then horticulture waste, waste from slaughterhouse, construction, demonstration wastes. So this all is to be formed under the solid waste. Then the effect of solid waste, it become to created in some air and soil in other pollution also to be formed based on in solid waste, because the open dumping it's forming in many area in our day-to-day life. We have to see that in our surrounding of the places. So the biodegradable material to decompose under uncontrolled and unhygienic conditions breeds various types of infectious organisms and insects. Foul smell and spoiling the aesthetics of the area, burning of some of the material produce dioxin, PCB, etc. The various types of elements include to created in a cancer disease. So the 3R and 4R principles we have followed to reduced from the solid waste management. The 3R, it becomes a reduce, reuse and recycling. And fourth one is a recover. So the reduce, the reduction in the use of the raw material will decrease the production of waste. Then reuse is refillable container, discard after use can be used. Then recycle is a plastic and metal scraps, it's formed in recycling. And recover, useful component and material from discarded equipments. So that is called this form in a water waste management in solid. Then sanitary landfills. This is a new idea to created in a city landfills. In modern landfills, the bottom of the pits is converted with an immeasurable liner, clay, plastic, sheet and sand. It protects the groundwater from contamination during the precaution of launching. When landfill is filled in a covered with a clay, sand and gravel, methane produced in anaerobic decompositions. So this is a method of waste management we form in a city based. So the biodegradable yard waste, it becomes separated from municipality waste, allowed to decompose in a oxygen rich medium, then good quality nutrient rich manner in a formed to the form of compositing. So the solid waste management, it's followed in the flow chart wise. We have reduced it. So that is at the end of in our case study. So the waste generated to the form of waste reduction and separation at the sources. It become formed in different types of collections, then transportations, then separation, processing and transformations, then finally it's in a disposals. So after the disposal we form in the 3 R's. So this is a reference I am prepared from this PPT to the form of case study on solid waste management, because the solid waste management nowadays is a very important factor to be affected in polluted of the environmental, because the unwanted materials is more to form in the nowadays in living organisms. So we have compulsory to be followed in that the future in 3R process. It is very good to control the solid waste management. Thank you very much. We discussed in another one topic to based on the EVS. Thank you very much.